Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock a box on Mobox. Mobox is a popular gamified platform built on the Binance Smart Chain that combines gaming, DeFi and NFTs, and one of the exciting features in Mobox is the mystery box system where users can unlock boxes to receive Momo NFTs. These Momo characters are valuable digital assets that can be used for the NFT farming, mining rewards, playing games or trading in the marketplace. And unlocking a box is similar to opening a loot chest in a game. Inside the box you receive a random Momo NFT with different rarity levels and hash power, which determines how much rewards you can earn. So if you are new to Mobox, unlocking a box is often the first step toward building your NFT collection and participating in the platform. So open any of the browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it, and make sure to log in if you already have not so. And once you get into this interface of your Mobox, on the left hand side we find to this Momo Farmer. Below the home, select to this Momo Farmer here under this interface, and on the left hand side we can find to this mystery box here. And before unlocking anything you must have a mystery box or the key in the Mobox inventory. And over here on the right hand side again we can find to this locked boxes. Over here you can also select how much you want to pay for, and after that you can select confirm unlock on the bottom. After confirming that, you own a box, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.